Now we're going to, what is it called? Nothing?
I don't know.
The airplane park.
But it's not really called that.
Well, we call it the airplane park because there's an airplane, like, play thingy on there for little kids. We're on our way.
We're on our way.
Bye, martial arts people.
And scaring bums.
Okay. So, nothing. We're going to the park that has the airplane. And we don't know its real name. We are on a newly paved road. It's very smooth and
Brightly painted.
clean looking and bright.
And smooth to drive on.
Yeah.
It's like driving on clouds. I tell you, it is.
It's like driving on butter.
Or peanut butter. Or cream
What is
cheese.
that?
A man doing his
Cups.
garden. Tell you, today's a prime gardening day.
Yeah.
Even the trees look brighter.
They do.
Oh, stop.
Over there is where I used to go to the dentist.
Where?
Over somewhere over behind over there.
Oh,
Children's.
I
I think people.
now.
This is our old high school. There it is. Should I see the name?
Huh?
Covina High School. Oh, police. Oh, there's no one
He's
in there.
always there. His car's always there. He's the one that works
There
around
it
the
is.
school. You are gonna get creepers.
No, they don't know what
us.
state I live. There could be a bunch of Covinas. There's the back side. Faculty parking.
Oh, they probably can't hear you.
Oh, it's okay. I'm close to the microphone, I think. There is, what is this, baseball field? Yeah, that's it. I'm going to the airplane park.
Oh, it's in
What?
West Arena.
Oh. More gardeners. Shirtless. Shoveling something. Okay. We're here at the airplane park because of that airplane.
We should.
Where is the title? I don't even know what the park is really called.
Or should I go the other way?
Sure. There it is. Some little kids playing on the airplane. They've actually been on the airplane.
That man looks.
This is, I don't know what its name is. Airplane park. There's the basketball,
Do you think it's like
baseball.
that park?
Putha?
My sickness. Puente.
What's on my nose?
Puente, my sick. I said my sickness because I said it weird.
There's the airplane park. But I don't think people look at me. There's a dog. It's pretty flat.
It's pretty open. What do you feel about this park?
Pretty,
Huh?
flat. It's pretty open. Free space.
And
It's really hot today. Burning up over here.
who has that bag?
Green book. I mean, it's a green book. I remember I went to a game store when I went to go buy the Bayonetta and Wolverine.
Uh-huh.
And the guy was really annoying because he was like staring at it and he was like, I'm gonna steal that purse. And I was like, ha 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 ha. And he was like, I'm gonna steal it. And he was like, next time you look over, it's not gonna be there. And he was like, when a guy likes a purse, that's a good purse.
It's the first.
And then I was just browsing and he just kept randomly saying that. And he was like, I'm gonna steal it. It's not gonna be there, blah blah blah. It was annoying. And then when I was buying my games.
The camera's over here.
Oh, when I was buying
stop.
my games.
Stop!
What?
I'm getting in front of you.
When I was buying my games.
Why can't you look at the camera?
Because I don't want to.
Look at the guy.
It's
over here.
I was with another cashier and then the guy was like, now's our time to team up. She's distracted buying games. I'm gonna go around her and take it. And I was like,
Wait, where'd you buy it at?
Huh?
Where'd you buy it?
game craze. That store in Hollywood video.
The purse?
Oh, no. Hot Topic.
Oh, I thought I was guessing. Oh, this park is annoying. Should we leave now?
Yeah. It's not that big.
It's hot. There's no trees.
Yeah, there's no trees. Is that crazy lady that stands in front of Blockbuster? So we're leaving the airplane park now. It's too boring for us. There's that little airplane, little kids. We're now going to
Covina Park.
Covina Park.
Oh my god, don't hit me.
And supposedly it's big. It has a lot of stuff there.
It does. It's huge.
It's huge. I don't think I've ever been there. Maybe I have. We're on our way.
Look, too.
We are almost here. This is Covina Park. Pretty big. Turns out I have been here. There's a lot of people.
Because there's just a baseball game.
Oh.
Just record it.
Yeah. There's a baseball game going on. Is this all of it?
No, this is one side.
Oh.
Basketball court.
Basketball
Tennis court. Swimming area.
Swimming area.
Oh, what is that?
Bunch of benches. A theater? What is that?
Theater?
Stage?
This is a swimming area.
Swimming area.
Go behind it though, obviously.
Team center. Jungle gym. 2 jungle gyms.
Where am I gonna park?
This is 2-hour parking. You don't fit in there? We're here at Covina Park.
So that awesome thing.
Look at that jungle gym.
Pretty awesome.
There's a smaller one over there. I think that's not a school, is it?
No. I don't think so. No.
Yeah. Just walking.
Very foresty with the trees.
Look at those trees.
Man, those are trees right there.
Yeah. Provide a lot of shade and stuff. There's more trees over there.
Really?
Here's that pool. Is there water in it? Oh yeah, it's covered. Here's lunch area. Smaller jungle gym. Big jungle gym.
This place is bigger.
I'm going to explore this little area over here. I don't know what it is. It looks like to play ring toss or some sort of game.
But there's no rings.
There's little sticks there. Maybe you bring your own rings.
What? What's rings?
I don't know what this is. Maybe it's for track or something. What are these numbers? Are we allowed to be in here?
This is open. But there's no
I
rings.
don't know what these are.
What's with the neon paint?
Do you guys know what this is? I don't know what it is.
Oh, what are these numbers?
Maybe they're for track.
This is not track.
Numbers. Measuring something? Oh, I guess for score. I guess I'm thinking it's for ring toss. We're leaving.
There was that one park I told you about.
What park?
I don't know where.
Oh, that one at the you were playing.
Yeah.
We're leaving Covina Park. We're going
streets it was on now.
to somewhere else to explore.
Person.
Person. Trying to cross the street.
Let's see. Let's go on an adventure.
We're going on an
Somewhere
adventure.
on this side of town.
Somewhere on this side of town. This side. This is Old Town Covina. There is a theater. Theater there. Covina Theater. Rude Dog. What is a Rude Dog? Is that like a bar or something? I think I'm talking. We're here at this park that we were trying to find. I don't know what it's called. It's very spacious. Oh, what a fancy bridge.
What?
I said, what a fancy bridge.
Oh, I didn't even notice that bridge. We must go over it.